Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that many PC gamers are experiencing with Battlefield 6, controller connectivity problems. Whether your controller isn't being recognized, buttons aren't responding correctly, or it keeps disconnecting, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. Controller issues often stem from driver conflicts or game settings. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your controller is properly connected and charged if it's wireless. Try different USB ports if you're using a wired connection, as some ports may not provide adequate power. If you're using Bluetooth, ensure your controller is properly paired and within range. Next, let's verify that your controller works outside of Battlefield 6. Open Windows Game Controller Settings by pressing Windows key +R, typing joy.cpl, and pressing Enter. Test your controller here to make sure Windows recognizes it properly and all buttons are working. If your controller works elsewhere but not in Battlefield 6, let's check the in-game settings. Launch the game and go to Options and Controls. Make sure Controller is selected as your input device and check the button mapping to ensure everything is configured correctly. Now, let's update your controller drivers. Press Windows key +X and select Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices and look for your controller. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose to search automatically for updated driver software. For Xbox controllers, you might want to try the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store to update your controller firmware. For PlayStation controllers, consider using DS4 Windows or similar software for better compatibility. If you're using Steam, let's check the controller configuration. Open Steam as Settings, the Controller General Controller Settings. Make sure your controller type is detected and configured properly here. For persistent issues, try running Battlefield 6 as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or executable, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. As a last resort, you can try reinstalling the game or repairing the installation through your game platform, Steam, Origin, or Epic Games Launcher. I know how frustrating controller issues can be when you're trying to enjoy Battlefield 6. One of these solutions should get your controller working properly. For most players, updating drivers or checking in-game settings does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to gaming with your controller, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.